Good Morning Texas Home and Wealth, sponsored by Rodney Anderson with Supreme Lending.
Time for the announcement. Okay, people, tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., Santa's coming to town.
Santa! Oh, my God! Santa here? I know him.
Okay, the announcement of Santa is sure to bring some holiday cheers, but what about the big announcement from the Federal Reserve about interest rates? Holiday cheers or jeers? GMT's mortgage expert Rodney Anderson with Supreme Lending is here this morning to let us know a little bit about what's going on. All eyes are on the feds right now. Rodney, what can we expect regarding rates?
We can expect interest rates to go up today. In fact, I've read that we can expect interest rates to go up potentially 3 additional times next year. So there's a lot of opportunity out there. But I will tell you, what you're going to see is if you're on an adjustable rate mortgage, you're going to see your rate start going up. The last decade, you've really been blessed. And this next decade, those rates are going to go up. You're going to see home equity lines of credit go up, but you're also going to see credit card interest rates, if they're variable rates, which most of them are, those interest rates are going to go up as well. So the consumer will feel a little bit of pinch with the Federal Reserve today. Okay,
a lot of people have already taken advantage of refinancing over the last several years. For those who haven't taken advantage of it, is it too late?
You know, it's not too late. I mean, it amazes me every single day how people will call my office and they're sitting at 6%, 7%, and they've got excellent credit. I've talked to a doctor the other day. He had 790 credit scores, owed $400,000 on his house, and he is sitting there at 7% on his mortgage. And you look at these things and go,
you're giving money
where
away.
have you been? You're handing your money to the bank. Rather than handing it to yourself, you're handing money to the bank. And the one thing I realize is the more money I save, the more money I have.
That's it, and it's a great time for retirement money. Okay, you're talking about refinancing. You say there are a lot of reasons for people to reconsider or to consider refinancing. You talked about one. Give us some other reasons.
Yeah, lower your term. A lot of people are moving from a 30-year loan to a 20-year or from a 30-year loan to a 15. 15-year, you're going to get a much better rate than a 30-year, and you're going to pay off that house a lot faster. I love building equity. The values are going up. The loan amount's going down, so whenever you sell, then you have more money. Also, cash out refinances, we talk about them every single day. I had a gentleman last Friday call me, and he said, I've been listening to you every day since January 1st, and he finally called me December 11th, and he had 11 months and 11 days, and it wasn't too late. So we look at that. We see a lot of divorce situations where have to refinance that, combining first and second mortgages, eliminating PMI. If you've been in your house since 2011, and you have not refinanced or had your mortgage for 2011, and if you've been paying PMI, most likely you don't have to anymore. You definitely want to consider refi. So there's just lots of different options that are out there that people should take advantage of it.
I guess it goes back to better late than never, and many people will have some time off during this holiday season. What suggestions do you give for them to spend their time off?
Yeah, I always tell people to take a financial day off. Start with your mortgage. Start with your insurance company. A lady in my office, Paula, who works with me, she did a financial day off the other day on her home insurance and her autos and all that. They were spending $6,100 a year for everything. Now they're spending $4,600 a year. That's $1,500 a year. Divide that by 12, that's $125 a month. You check your cell phone bills, your cable bills. Take that financial day off. Make sure you're on the right plans. Make sure you're on the right interest rates. Call your credit card companies if you're paying 20% and ask them to lower your interest rates. So lots of different options that are available. I call it taking a financial day off.
I like that idea. I like that idea. That's a great way to save money and really think about what's going on. Speaking of what's going on in your talk show this morning?
Yeah, we'll talk about taking a financial day off. We'll talk about marriage, divorce, some of the 5 reasons why, what you need to do financially before you get married, a whole lot more. It's on Talk Radio 1190 AM. You can download the iHeartRadio app of Talk Radio 1190 AM every single day, Monday through Friday.
I am going to do that so I can listen to you when you come on at 11 o'clock. You can give Rodney a call also at 1-800-EXPRESS for more information about refinancing, or log on to rodneyanderson.com.
Still ahead, our Angels Theme Day continues. Check out these angel pins designed by a Texas mother. They're Carla's Angels, custom designed from sister or brother angels to angels on the job, like firefighters and teachers. Stay with us. We're coming right back.